Hello, everyone in Australia. I'm so looking forward to coming back to Melbourne and thankful to our host, Louisa Ong, for hosting me one more time. And looking forward to sharing some really good tidbits of information with everyone. The first course is spanning over 3 days, and it's going to be a huge primer on the world of praxis. If you want to know why a child is having struggles with problem solving, struggles with executive functioning, struggles with timing themselves through tasks, struggles with understanding verbal, nonverbal discourse. If you want to understand those types of issues and you want to know how development influences that, this is the course for you. You're not only going to get the theory, you're also going to get a huge amount of work and forms for assessment and a whole slew of information on intervention, and an intervention that's targeted, that follows a hierarchy of development that you can really know how to treat. I want clinicians to be able to work smarter and not harder, to know that even if I have 30 minutes, I can make that count. That yes, it is good to have accommodations and to support a student to stay intact and where they need to be, but it's also good to have remediation, that the student can move on and put this behind them. Am I not saying that we can fix kids? No, don't even talk that language. But can we purposefully help them to interact with their own bodies so they can feel purposeful, they can feel in control, and they can feel like the world is open there for them? This is what I want. So I invite you to come join us. I think there's also live streams of option available. Louisa can tell you more about that. The second course is on behavior. We all work with kids with behaviors. Understand the overlap between sensory processing development, autism, and also trauma-informed care. It's a very packed 2 days, and it's heavy, yes, lots of information, but there's also practical tools and ideas. You will definitely leave feeling equipped. So I don't know which ones of those are live streamed. Contact Louisa about that, but I do look forward to seeing you. And we still have absolute time to email Louisa and to figure out what it is that you want to join, if not for both. So look forward to seeing everyone. It's always a lovely trip back in Melbourne. I feel so welcome there. So thank you to you all. See you.